works. What the hell? Guys, I don't really see. Look, guys. Ma. Look, it is to the woods. It's got to the really see. Yo, EAS.
Activation of the Massachusetts State Amber Alert System at the request of the Worcester Police Department and the Massachusetts State Police. The Worcester Police Department is looking for Joshua Davis, a 21-month-old white male, date of birth June 29, 2015.
Got to the really see.
With brown hair
Look,
and blue eyes.
to the woods.
Seen wearing a blue T-shirt with Thomas the Tank Engine on the front and blue jeans when he was taken from his home at 126 Harrison Street in the city of Worcester around 11:30. Davis, age 28, height 6'3", 180 pounds.
Okay, okay. What I said, Ma. Look.
Sharks T-shirt, blue jeans, and
Guys.
England Patriots hat.
Mama.
The suspect is
Look, it's a car to the really see.
focused
Yeah.
with
It's car to really see.
The suspect
It's a CAE. It's a CAE.
has a history of mental illness and is
It's
possibly.
a gun.
The child is believed to be in extreme danger. If the suspect vehicle, suspect, or child is spotted, do not approach it. Call 911, the Worcester Police Department at 508-799-8606, or the Massachusetts State Police. This concludes operations under the Massachusetts State Emergency Alert System. We now return you to regular programming.
Okay, guys.
The whole world, and then I sat on the moon, and then I became